everyone! We just went over our vocabulary words and now we're going to jump into our story. This story is called What Do You Do? That's the title of our story. And our title tells us what our story will probably be about. Our author is Amy Bin. She's the person who writes the words. And our illustrator is Alex Weishart. He draws the pictures. So let's go ahead and read our story. What do you do? Follow along with me. Every day, Ruby sees her mom leave for work. She wears a suit. She takes a briefcase. What does Ruby's mom do? Where does Ruby's mom go? When Ruby's mom gets home, Ruby asks, "Mom, what do you do?" Ruby's mom says, "I work with a lot of people. I help people get money. I work in a bank." Ruby's mom also says that she works to earn money. She earns money so they can buy a house, clothes, and food. Every day, Lee sees his dad leave for work. He wears a uniform. He takes a lunchbox. What does Lee's dad do? Where does Lee's dad go? When Lee's dad gets home, Lee asks, "Dad, what do you do?" Lee's dad says, "I work with a lot of people. I use machines. I work in a factory." Lee's dad also says that he works to earn money. He earns money so they can buy a house, clothes, and food. Every day, Tracy sees her dad leave for work. He wears jeans and a t-shirt. He wears a tool belt. What does Tracy's dad do? Where does Tracy's dad go? When Tracy's dad gets home, Tracy asks, "Dad, what do you do?" Tracy's dad says, "I work for a lot of people. I help build houses. I am a construction worker." Tracy's dad also says that he works to earn money. He earns money so they can buy a house, clothes, and food. People have different jobs. People wear different clothes to work. What job does your mom or dad do? The end. Bye, everyone.